Hi, my name's Laura Alexiou, and I'm the owner here at Steamtown Hot Yoga. We started off just very small, and there wasn't a whole lot of yoga in the area. And so now, over 10 years later, we have 25 classes a week, and we have a great student body. Our yoga is for all levels. The majority of our students have never taken any yoga. We have what we call the Hot Yoga 60. The Hot 60 moves a little bit slower. We'll go into a posture, we'll hold it for a period of time, and then we come out of the posture and there's a little break. And it's very good for back problems because it does a lot of core strengthening. We also have what is called our Barkin Method Hot Vinyasa. When you're in the Barkin Method Vinyasa, there are less breaks. The postures really move from one into the other. The candlelight class that we offer on Sunday nights is probably one of our most popular classes. We do dim the lights, we light candles, we play music during class, and there's something about practicing the yoga in the candlelight that really helps your mind quiet down. And you're really going to be surprised at how good it makes you feel. A lot of people come out and say, I didn't think I could do it, and I could do it. I can't believe that I can do that. So you come out with a sense of accomplishment. People who are not coming in for injuries are often coming in for stress. And a lot of people find that stress reduction is their favorite thing about class. And because of that, they'll find that they get better along with their spouses, they get along better with their children. What it comes down to is we don't do yoga to be more flexible or to heal injuries or to be stronger or any of those things, which are true. Those are great benefits, but we just want to remember that we do yoga because it makes our lives better. And you're going to feel better, and you're going to make your life better, and you're going to go out into the world feeling so good about yourself, and we all deserve that. And yoga can bring that to anyone who's willing to step on the mat.